everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for September 15th, 2022. Ethereum price rises ahead of merge update. Ethereum is getting closer and closer to the so-called merge update currently scheduled for September 15 and beyond. Merge refers to the transition of the Ethereum blockchain from the proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake. Ethereum remains strong in 2022 amid bullish sentiment around merge. The recent crypto market downturn contributed its share of chaos as cryptocurrencies plummeted in value, including the well-established smart contracts platform. Ethereum is the second largest token by market capitalization, with various applications, NFT, DAO, and other Web3 applications running on the protocol. From an all-time high of $4,900, Ethereum fell to $1,350 in the midst of the 2022 crypto winter, but the protocol's impending transition to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is encouraging bulls. Ether is currently trading at $1,592, and the token price is performing very well compared to other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. And as cryptos gain momentum ahead of the merge, it is no surprise that the tide of altcoins will race along with the price of Ethereum. AIG-owned Corebridge holds largest IPO this year. AIG Inc.'s life insurance and pension unit Corebridge Financial Inc. raised $1.68 billion Wednesday at its biggest initial public offering, IPO of the year, overcoming market volatility and ending a 7-month lull in major listings. The corporation set aside 80 million shares of Corebridge stock at $21 a share, the lower end of its target range of $21 to $24 a share. The IPO valued the company at $13.6 billion. A Corebridge stock sale could help bring the IPO market out of hibernation. Russia's invasion of Ukraine and rampant inflation, which has caused interest rates to rise, have led to a volatile stock market since February, making it difficult for companies to move forward with offerings. U.S. IPOs are having their worst year in 2 decades, according to Dealogic, which tracks listing data since 1995. Companies raised about $18 billion this year, compared with $231 billion in the same period last year, according to the firm. Meanwhile, other companies, including social media platform Reddit and software firm ServiceTitan, have had to postpone their IPO plans this year due to volatility. Gold falls amid continuing fears about the Fed. Spot gold prices traded below a key support level on Thursday, continuing a recent drop as concerns over more hawkish Federal Reserve measures continued to weigh on metals markets. Spot gold was little changed, ending the previous session at $1,697.42 an ounce, while gold futures fell 0.1% to $1,707.30 an ounce. Both instruments fell Thursday after U.S. producer price inflation data confirmed that inflation remained near 40-year highs in August. That will likely prompt the Fed to raise interest rates more sharply as it tries to combat rising price pressures. Meanwhile, U.S. consumer price inflation, a more closely watched measure, was higher in August than expected earlier this week. This data led to sharp losses in the financial markets on Tuesday and Wednesday. Gold is now trading about $15 above its lowest level in a year, as a series of sharp interest rate hikes by the Fed pushed the dollar higher and caused investors to seek higher yields on dollar and treasury bonds. The yellow metal has also largely failed to keep up with inflation in the U.S. this year.